Ocean View restaurant in prime location. The entrance, New South Wales. Offering limitless potential, this popular restaurant has got the lot, including a prime location and ocean views. Seating around 90 customers and licensed till 12 a.m, the venue is situated in an increasingly popular tourist destination. With many existing local customers and a great reputation, there's a low risk of business failure here. There is huge potential to further boost income by extending trading hours and booking more functions. A great business for a couple or partnership, the current employees are reliable and familiar with the operating systems. The entrance is a key location with a growing population, attracting scores of visitors every year.